This is Super Cala. Hi, I'm Charles Harris, inventor of Super Cala, the charging cable redesigned. Probably the most unique, organized, minimalistic, travel-friendly cable ever created. Unlike other messy cables cluttering your counters or drawers, or those extra short cables that require disconnecting to use the device, Super Cala remains short and organized and is easily extendable when needed, keeping those counters, desks, and drawers neat and tidy. Our standard 3-foot cable is perfect for everyday use and traveling, and our 6-foot cable is perfect for those extra long reaches. Our small but talented team of entrepreneurs realized that instead of tapping our fingers and clicking our pens, we were more drawn to the satisfying, irresistible clicking of our very own cable. We spent the last year designing, developing, and sourcing the perfect manufacturers for all the components, and we've tested hundreds of cables and connection types, ensuring high-speed charging capability and data transfer. Our neodymium magnets, specifically manufactured for our cables, are diametrically magnetized and free-floating along the cable. This allows the magnet's north and south poles to always connect with each other, creating our unique patent-pending design. Precisely spaced between the magnets is our ultra-durable silicone sleeves, allowing the magnets to always line up with each other while also providing excellent cord protection.
The era of USB-C computing is coming. You have probably noticed that most of the familiar ports are gone, replaced by smaller oblong connectors. However, the reality of living with USB-C is kind of a nightmare, since you need a flood of dongles to get your old ports back. But who really likes carrying around a bag full of dongles? Or you just need one connection to all ports. Introducing Soho Line, all-in-one, a perfect unibody of high-efficient wireless charger and a host of full-speed ports. Welcome to embrace an easier world with USB-C. Soho Line is small and light enough to easily keep in your bag at all times. It gives you access to all the ports you need, even more, and wireless charging capability. The dongle's clutter has been fixed once and for all. Get up to 5 gigabits a second data speed with USB 3.0. You can now transfer data to multiple devices simultaneously in a blink of an eye. In Soho Line, you can connect your Typic laptop to your office projector through the HDMI port and show your business presentation with magnificent quality and color. Sometimes, at a very important business moment, your battery just dies. Soho Line guarantees you an invisible power line thanks to the adopted wireless charging technology, up to 10 watts charging efficiency, better than most single wireless chargers on the market. Space gray and sleek, zinc alloy body, advanced surface procession technology are perfectly matched with your laptop. But we are not just good looking. We bent this cable over 100,000 times and saw no damage or change in performance. Believe me, the durability and strength of Soho Line is far beyond your imagination. You see, running over it with a car doesn't make any damage. Soho Line is the beauty and the beast.
One simple fact: Switch is essential for a gamer in 2020. Look at all these games. How can you say no? Oh, and these are also the things you can't say no to. The question is, how can I use them all on the go? You want the function, not the hassle, not the size, nor the price. Meet Switchblade Hub, a handheld hub for your handheld Switch. The built-in Bluetooth receiver makes your Switch compatible with any wireless headphone. Yes, no more tangled up gaming. When enjoying games on the outside with friends, the kickstand gives you the best angle for screen sharing, while the secret card slots store 2 more games for a change of taste. Reaching a place with large TV? The HDMI port, along with our slim cable, is going to give you a living room experience in a mobile solution, with extra USB-A and USB-C ports to charge your accessories or power up your Switch when in TV mode. With all these functions attached onto your Switch, it is unbelievably slim and light for a hub. The blade design shaves off more than 50% of the size till it's finally mobile, and it just wouldn't interrupt you when gaming on your hands. Multiple color choice adds the flavor of original Switch design and some more. The compact body also makes sure it fits into your own travel bag with no problem. It perfects your Switch in the easiest way possible. Support us on Indiegogo now.
GoSpace Supercharger, the one which solves all your file transfer and fast charging needs. Supercharger provides you a convenience way. You don't need other devices to use your adapter and transfer data. Just transferring data by one device. GoSpace Supercharger. You could edit your stuff on your electronic device by any time and anywhere you like. Use it when needed. GoSpace Supercharger. Not just a card adapter, not a normal charger. It could also be a super power bank. Large MAH that could support your life. Supercharger also supports the latest power delivery, fast charging technology. You can charge your laptop and mobile devices at the same time, which can support new MacBook. All your device needed is GoSpace Supercharger. GoSpace provides you all the adapters for different countries. Just one move and 1 second to switch the adapters you need. Just pick the one you need and you are ready to go. Our multi-protection safety system will make you feel safe to bring GoSpace Supercharger out. All you need is just one device and go.
Making the most of your laptop takes a lot of accessories, but the whole point of a laptop is portability. Let's make things easier. Ditch the brick and upgrade to a smart power adapter. Introducing SuperHub, the most powerful 3-port power adapter and hub with GAN. SuperHub has 3 USB ports, so you can quickly charge your laptop, tablet, Switch, phone, camera, wearable devices, and more. SuperHub supports USB 3.1 to transfer data 10 times faster than USB 2.0. Transfer a feature-length movie or presentation in seconds. Simplify your workflow with one device. SuperHub's HDMI port can deliver 4K resolution at 60 Hz for twice the speed and twice the detail. SuperHub works with Samsung DeX mode and Huawei PC mode, in case you want to leave your laptop at home. Thanks to GAN technology, SuperHub can pack all of these powerful features into an unbelievably small device. Wherever your day takes you, SuperHub lets you do more while carrying less. SuperHub comes in black and white to suit your style and complement your devices. SuperHub is ready for anything. Plug it into the wall, put it on the desktop, or take it to the other side of the world. A global adapter kit includes swappable connectors that work in over 200 countries and regions.